Hi everybody, I'm back. I'm still feeling kind of shitty. I'm still feeling kind of crappy, but I feel a little bit better. I've got some style going on today. Anyways, I just wanted to say thank you all for watching my videos, and thank you guys that subscribe for me and everything else. Um, I'm still working on trying to do the closed mouth burps and the hiccup burps. I'm I don't show my practicing on here because it looks kind of, I don't know, I can't explain it, but I've been trying to master it, I guess you could say, before I put it on here. But since you guys like my burping so well, I figured I would try to do a couple more. And look what I finally got to get. Dr. Pepper! Best drink in the world to me. Anyways, here we go. Uh, There was my closed mouth burp. I tried. Okay, the hiccup burps is the one that I'm having trouble with. But I'm going to try, okay? For you hiccup burp fans out there, I'm going to try for you. Because you guys are my fans, and I'm trying to give you what you want. Within reason. Okay? You guys that are all like, ooh, take your pants off and fart in my face and da-da-da. This is YouTube, not a porn site, okay? Get up to the next freaking channel. Because this is YouTube. This is for entertainment purposes, not for you sick weirdos to twiddle your twat or jerk your gherkin. Okay? Anyways. Sorry, fans, but I just had to get that across because, yeah, some people might like that, but I don't. I think it's gross, I think it's wrong, and I think it's disgusting. I mean, there's little kids on here. Come on. Y'all nasty weirdo freaks. I mean, I understand you guys are just humans too, but there's 1,001 porn sites out there, so why come to YouTube? Honestly. Okay, so, whew, my lord, it took a lot of work. Whew, that took a lot out of me. Anyways, I did a long loud burp for you guys that like the long loud burps. I did a hiccup burps. I tried to do hiccup burps. That's as much as I could do for Opal 1975, I believe. I hope you like that. And then I tried to do closed mouth burps. I did pretty well with those, actually, I think, for Mo. So, anyways, if anybody else has any different kind of burps that they want me to do, just leave a comment or inbox me, and I promise I will try. But if I don't know how to do it, uh, you guys can tell me how to do it, and I can try. But if I don't think I can do it, I will message you back, and I'll be like, I'm sorry, I'm not doing that. Also, no offense to the people that are aroused by farting, but yeah, I don't know what it is with me. I mean, I like burping. I think burping is cool. Farting is disgusting. Because burping comes out your mouth, farting comes out your ass, and that's gross. I know, I'm weird, but you know what? At least I admit it.